Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys clock style setting in our Realme phone guys. You want to change guys your clock style, so guys you can change guys, you can see your clock style, phone clock style friends. You want to change your Realme phone, so how can you change guys? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel guys and guys you are watching my video first time, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So when first of all open your phone setting to change guys your phone clock style, then guys scroll it and guys you can see home and lock screen guys, tap here. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see guys your clock style fans, tap here. You can see guys there are two styles guys, you want to change into vertical guys, tap here to change it. So your clock style will change guys, you can see. So you can see guys, first guys we had guys clock style here and guys now we have there. So like that guys you can change guys your phone clock style in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.